Poppin' YouTube, it's your boy Complex and I'm back at it again. Happy New Year, by the way. I'm here for another unboxing review of Jewelry King's 18-inch Cuban chain, choker chain, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, yeah, we're here for another unboxing. Took me a while, took me a couple days to actually get some videos back up on the channel. Been busy with work, you guys know how that is, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Unfortunately, I've already taken it out of the parcel package, but it's still in the original packaging that it came in. So here we go. I am in my daughter's room because it's got the best lighting so far. I will be doing a shine test just to show you guys what's up. Just so you can see the kind of the flashiness that this chain gives off, and just to show you guys exactly the quality of the chain. So this is again a review of the 18-inch choker Cuban chain from Jewelry Kings. This is a box that this came in. I've already opened it. When I went to open the parcel package, I accidentally damaged the paper. The Jewelry Kings does supply it with a black, gift paper. I'll take it out of the box. There's nothing else in the box. Now with Shop GLDs, the difference between these two, I guess, sellers is Shop GLD usually gives you a $25 discount card that you can use online when you're purchasing a product. Maybe with more purchases that I get from Jewelry Kings, if I decide to get more purchases from Jewelry Kings, they will give me a gift card or maybe give me a promo code. I don't know. This is a chain. And it looks a little shorter than 18 inches actually. So we'll try it on. It is clustered, diamond clustered. Again, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the flash test, so you can see the quality in the CZ diamonds. This is gold plated. It's over 925 sterling silver, cubic zirconia, diamonds. These are lab diamonds, obviously. These are real. I'm pretty sure if these were real, the necklace would cost a lot more than what I spent on it. This is the clasp that it comes with. It's actually a pretty solid piece, and on the back side it says 18 karat gold. But the clasp pops open like that, and you pop it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on. I'm going to take Shop GLD's choker off, which I like a lot. I don't wear it that much since I've got it. I don't go out, I work a lot. But since I have purchased this, it's like one of my favorite chains. This is the Shop GLD's Lakers pendant. Already did a review on it. I love this pendant. I kind of wear it like every day, even at work. I don't care. So here we go. We're going to put this on. Like I said before, it looks a little shorter than 18 inches. Let's see if I get it right. The first couple times, which seems like I'm not going to get it right. So I'm going to flip it around. It's a pretty cool chain though. I mean, it's a lot, I'm going to say brighter than Shop GLD's choker. A lot. Oh, here it goes. Okay, so it is shorter, like I said. And it actually flipped over. Now, if you look at it, it's a lot shorter. But the CZs are kind of, there we go, right there. CZs are dancing a little bit. In the sunlight, I'm sure it's a little bit better, but the lighting that I have right here, it's kind of like outside lighting coming in, and it's not really good lighting. But I will review it with a flash test so you guys can see. Maybe I'll do all three together. The weight of it actually feels pretty solid, close to the same weight as Shop GLD's. It's just shorter. I'm not sure if I like it that short. Never had a chain that short. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the description below. Not the description, the comments. Tell me your guys' thoughts on it. It's an easy clasp to open. I think because I have it backwards. So I have to pop it, there we go, this way. It is actually nice. You can see the clusters. The small clusters pushed are seated together. I mean, pretty nice piece. I'll take Shop GLD so you guys can see them side by side. Open them up. Shop GLD's clasp is a little easier to work with. If I can open it. Yeah, I said it's a little easier, it's kind of not. Damn. Okay, hold on. But let me know what you guys think, man, about the two. Since my last video about the Shop GLD's choker, have you guys purchased anyone's? There we go. Okay, here we go. So these are the two side by side. Way shorter. So I think I actually got an 18-inch on the Jewelry Kings, and the other one is about a 20-inch. You can tell the big difference. What do you guys think, though? Do you like them? My jewelry collection is actually getting a little bit bigger now. I don't know why it is, but I think that if you guys are into jewelry, one of the top places to go to, from my opinion, is Shop GLD. I like the quality of the pieces and how fast they ship. They ship really, really fast. And I also like Jewelry Kings. It is a nice piece. It didn't come quick, but the durability of it, the weight of it, it's actually a really nice choker. Now again, I don't wear small chokers at all. I may gift it. I'm gonna put them all on though, just so y'all can see what they look like. There we go. And it just clicks in. I mean, I look stupid right now, but it's a hot piece. If I can flip it, keeps flipping on me. But damn. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. There we go. What do you guys think? Is it hot? Is it not? Which one do you guys prefer? You prefer the 18, the 20, the 24-inch pendant with the Lakers? I know the Lakers aren't y'all's team, but still. Now, I did purchase another piece from AliExpress. It just says complex, and I'll show you what that looks like. It's actually pretty cool. It's on a tennis chain. The backing is somewhat solid. But if you guys want the seller's information, I'll leave that in the description below, along with the description of Jewelry Kings, 18-inch choker, Shop GLD's 20-inch choker, and then the 24-inch Lakers pendant. I'll leave them all in there so you guys can click on them. I have already given out a $25 gift card from my previous purchase from Shop GLD's authenticity card that I received from that company itself. Somebody reached out to me via YouTube, and I just gave them it because they're the first ones to get it. I do have 3 more that I'm willing to give out, but you have to follow me on Instagram, and you also have to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can get it. I don't use them I should be using them, but I don't, because I don't plan on buying any jewelry this month. Maybe next month I will. But yeah, again, subscribe to my channel. I will do a flash test. Flash test. Damn, I can't even talk. Here shortly, so you guys can see what all three chains look like, and you can look at the differences, man. I mean, if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend too much money, then these are the websites that you want to shop at. If you don't have a budget and you're willing to spend and drop a lot of money, then go ahead, do whatever you got to do to get that chain that you want. Unfortunately, I don't make that much money right now, but hopefully in the future I will, and maybe I can get something more flashy. And just let me know what you guys think about the product itself. I think they're all cool. All three together are cool. Again, I like it. I mean, you could definitely tell the color, the differences between the color of all three. I know this isn't the right lighting, but you can also see. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'm out. The tennis chain attached to the pendant. Boy, it's just shining. The Jewelry King 18-inch choker. Beautiful. The Shop GLDS 20-inch choker. And Shop GLDS Lakers pendant with the 24-inch chain. Let me know if you guys want any more reviews or any places that you want me to check out. It's gorgeous. Front and back. Cubic zirconia.
Something that I never wanna have. Hey, really, God, I think I'm losing it. I'm supposed to be a son, so tell me why you doing this. Is it cause when I was younger